Muscle camp workout 3, day 3. I know you guys don't want to do this. It's hard to do 3 workouts in 1 day. All right, so this is our full body workout damage style. All right, so we're doing eccentrics, emphasizing the eccentric portion. You guys know what the science says about the eccentrics, right? This is where all the muscle remodeling happens. This is the part of the movement everybody avoids though, because it's the hardest, right? Everybody loves the concentric and then just gives up on the eccentric, or they're just not aware of the value of eccentric. So today, that's what this entire focus is. All 7 exercises we're doing today, 3 sets of 8 to 10, we're doing a 6-second negative. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, great. So another cue I want to give them is I want you to focus on pushing the floor away on the way up, but I also want you to push your feet into the ground on the way down. That's going to stabilize you even further and create that tension at another level on the quads. All right, how'd that feel? Good? Yeah. Your core is going to get rocked here. If you've never done front squats, if you've got all your core work from the floor, get ready to feel this stuff all jacked up tomorrow. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, that's it. Good. Most people are only used to driving the car with the gas pedal, which is the equivalent of just the concentric then letting it drop, the concentric then letting it drop. So this is going to force you to use more of the car, all right? You're going to get more into the muscle. Okay, incline dumbbell chest presses, 3 sets, 8 to 10, 90 seconds rest. See, most people do their dumbbell presses up and down, and they never really work through that arc to get that chest stretch. So I love this 6-second eccentric because it forces you to find new places to stretch your chest. A little more stretch, a little more stretch. There it is. That was a good one. Little more, little more. There you go. Now we're finding new stuff. Get that extra inch. So working with that slower tempo on the negative, it really forces your muscles to struggle, all right? Because we've never really trained in that range before. We've never really fought that resistance, but that's when your muscles are working the hardest. All right, 3rd exercise, lying leg curl here. So same deal, 3 sets, 8 to 10. Big thing here that you find a lot of people do is move their hips, which lengthens the hamstrings when they're supposed to be getting short. So what we want to do is we want to really focus on keeping your abs engaged, your hips down, and we want to think about driving your quads into the pad, all right? The muscles are always the weakest in these shortened ranges. That's why we want to really challenge them at contracting. That's going to create the opportunity for new gains. Next exercise are pronated pull-ups. Many people will have a hard time doing these. If that's the case, you can find a machine and you can do the assisted pull-up machine. So you can take some weight off your body by getting some help from the machine. That's one option. Another one is to get a band. 1, 2, 3, 4. How's that, man? Ooh. Suck, eh?
That's it's already not my strong point.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, so the next exercise are kneeling, overhead French press rope extensions. A little wordy, but this is what it is. All right, I like being on the knees here because you have less joint systems to borrow from. So you're going to be forced to lock in and isolate the triceps better here. This also requires a lot of shoulder stability. All right, so you got to keep these shoulders stable, and we're letting that elbow just work right around the joint. Good. All right, dumbbell bicep curls here with a slight incline. What we really want to focus on here with the 6-second negative is this is a great opportunity to think about the path of the joint, not just the path of the dumbbell. So his hands are coming forward and then they're coming backwards. Now they're going forwards, so he's keeping this completely still. Good. And he's working around this corner here, if you will. So this doesn't change at all. He's working around it. What he's even thinking about is he's pulling his biceps up into his sleeve. So keep that still, working around the corner. Think about pulling your biceps up through the sleeve. There you go. You're kind of like an elevator going upwards. Keep that still. So shoulders are last today. We're going to be doing side lateral raises. In the book, you'll see that it's supposed to be done seated, but we thought we'd mix it up a little, do a little boot camp class here. Side lateral raises, get those delts popping. We'll all go together. There we go. Josh, you're a little head of the group. 3, 4, 5, 6, pause, reach. There we go. Can you guys extend your wrists? A lot of you guys have your wrists flexed. Extend your wrist. That's gonna take the weight even further from the shoulder joint, making it even harder. Extend your wrists. There you go. Nice. That's a wrap. Woo! So we've had a lot of people go through this program. The biggest feedback I get is people just don't want to do 6-second negatives. What's your response to that? Why is it necessary to get that size and strength that they want to get long term?
I mean, this is where the magic happens, right? In the negative portion of the rep. So it just sucks. It just sucks to go that long, but it's the evil necessary.
Well, it's a shock to the body. It's going to create a ton of damage, and it's going to build a lot of muscle. So you've got to do it.
I'd say if people want results, that's what they're doing it for. And I think a lot of people come in the gym day in, day out, and they don't get them. It's probably because they're not doing it the right way. And so, although it might suck, doing it the right way is what makes a big difference. It's actually what gets the results. So I'd say that's big Frank.
Guys, understand that there's multiple ways to go about building muscle. Vince has put the program together. You got to focus on the strength earlier, then take that strength and put the muscle under time, under tension, and that's where the real magic is going to happen. So you got to do it. Just make it happen.
Don't listen to me, listen to these guys. They're all bigger than me. I know you guys just listen to people that are bigger, right? So there you go, listen to these guys.
Like you said though, it keeps you honest as well, right? I mean, even if we do practice this ourselves, when you have some, even just you standing there, I hate getting coaches, but I do love it. But you just standing there, counting, touching my elbow, right? It makes it a lot harder.
Yeah, same thing coming from an athletic background. I've been coached before, but I get used to doing things my way sometimes. And then when I come in here and you're coaching me, I'm like, oh yeah, I've probably been doing it a little off for so long that I forgot this is the proper form or technique. And you need that, like you need a little bit of coaching. And if you're doing it on your own for too long, you just get off. And you get off on what you're doing, you're not doing it the right way. So
It keeps the ego at the door, right?
I was going to say that.
Yeah.
Here's the
Checks
thing.
the ego.
You got to check your ego. You're not going to be the strongest guy in the gym. You're not going to be moving a lot more weight with a 6-second negative, but you're going to be getting different results and you're going to be earning those reps different than the people just throwing weights around without thinking about it or initiating that muscle.
All right, guys, if you're ready for a challenge, go to the link above here or the link below, and you guys can pick up Living Large for free. It's a gift from me to you. You can follow this program, and then when you're done this program, there's one after that and then one after that. So check it out. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching Muscle Camp. Hope you guys can join us in the future. Talk to you soon.